Hello programmers. So today in this video we are taking you to the 30 days of C++ project. Basically in this project we are providing the structured curriculum of C++ so that you will be able to learn C++ in 30 days. So we have a comprehensive documentation written by very much experienced teachers and mentors so that student will get the errorless and meaningful content, right? And the third thing is we are open source. It means you are welcome to contribute in our projects, and our readers will be able to see our projects without charging any kind of cost, right? And we are providing informative blogs so that you are able to cover lots of diverse topics in C++ programming. And the fourth features that we are providing, community engagement, right? We are providing the collaboration of different contributors. So let's see how C++ 30 days of C++ actually works. Just click on the start button, right? So it will take you to the all content of C++. Right now there are lots of days section and we are updating on the time basis, right? If you click on the day section, you will get all the curriculum on the day basis, right? On the first day, let's say you want to learn about introduction, what is C++, what is the history of C++, and if you click on the content section, you will get the comprehensive guide of the C++, right? After that we have some search buttons so that you can search on the basis of day, right? Let's say I am searching for day and get all the documentation that is on the day section, right? You will get all the content by filtering out the days. Right now we are providing the GitHub repository, right? It is the public repository for all contributors. Here you will get all the content, so you can edit it, you can public it, you can raise issue, pull request, right? So that we can make a very good world of C++. So I think everyone is welcome to our contribution, because your every contribution is being counted and you are very much welcome to C++. Happy journey, happy coding, code in a fun way. Thank you.